Hello guys, this is Bite Check Part 2, and I'm just gonna go right off the bat and just start. So, first we'll start with the things that I'm gonna remove, the stickers. Diamondback's coming off, warnings coming off right there. What else coming off? Attention, whatever that crap is. Vipers things coming off. Keep those stickers on my new rims I got today. Alright, let's start from the grips. What grimps? Alright, so we got some Odyssey grips, and then we got some handlebars here. Goes with the Diamondback. So the stem went with the Diamondback. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta take that one off. Anyways, good tire. That has that kind of. And let's go on down. Let's go down. And see right there, got some purple rims. And like I said, looking for a wacky bike. So here's some gold rims, also. So that's pretty cool. Then everything's pretty much the same. Oh, almost forgot. Some new pedals. Redline pedals. And why I wanted these rims really bad. I wanted rims right from the start, but one of the reasons why I just didn't want these ones anymore is because this crap right here. Look at that crap. Look. I don't want that at all. But the bike, definitely better. Really better. So, yeah. And, chain's fine. I call this, I know it's not called it, not the chain, but the other thing. I call it the Ferris wheel. Yeah. Oh, go for it. Gotta say big thanks to them. They put new bolts on it, and they pumped up my tires. And then the hubs, wow, they're really good. I got new hubs since I can't turn that one over, but right here, what's XLC? That's the company. And like I said, stickers. Oh, and here's the company. Brake line. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. So, oh, gotta take that sticker off. Sorry, I'm just going in front and forth, gotta take that off, this off, sorry. Everything turned out really good on it. The seat, and, first of all, I just want to say something. My friends were teasing me about my bike check, my first one. And I know you guys were gonna probably teasing me right now about this bike check and my last bike check. But it's just it's funny to just hear them just laugh about it. So yeah, that's my bike check for you. And later.